Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best TWS earbuds in India that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. OnePlus. Although OnePlus has been manufacturing audio products for a long time, they launched the OnePlus Pro Buds, which is priced under $10,000 in the market. It looks great and has premium features like Dolby Atmos support and fast charging capacity. The OnePlus Buds Pro comes in glossy white with silver matte finishing. The case's design is very basic but well built, fits well in the pocket, and the matte finish makes it less prone to scratches, unlike the more focused design and material in the case of ear exposure to anything. The charging case is very slim and lightweight, just 52 grams. The thin, flat design means the case has a larger footprint when compared to others but will fit comfortably in a pocket. It works well with OnePlus smartphones, and it is easily connected with other devices like smartphones, laptops, etc. OnePlus Buds Pro was impressed with its audio performance. Emphasizing treble and bass frequencies, they support SBC, AC, and LHDC codecs and come with a Bluetooth 5.2 connection. You will get an enjoyable listening experience, thanks to its large 11mm drivers. According to the noise cancellation, the OnePlus Buds Pro provides 3 levels of ANC such as noise cancellation, smart mode, and maximum noise cancellation. With the ability to cancel outdoor noise up to 40 dB, we found the maximum noise cancellation method to be very effective: the sound of urban traffic, the whir of a fan, and a TV. You can control these wireless buds from your phone in 2 ways. If you have the OnePlus phone, then you can have its own audio app, otherwise, you have to download the Hey Melody app to control it. Battery life is another strong suit of the Buds Pro, however, you can find it better elsewhere. It lasts up to 7 hours, and additionally, you will get 31 hours with the case. It gives 28 hours of battery backup with ANC turned on. From adaptive active noise cancellation to wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and Dolby Atmos support, the OnePlus Buds Pro is packed with superior aspects. However, most of its key distinguishing aspects are limited to OnePlus smartphones, and not all of them. It impresses people with its bass sound quality. Priced under 10,000 Rs, the OnePlus Buds Pro pair of wireless earbuds give a better user experience. These earbuds are the OnePlus's most advanced pair of true wireless earbuds yet, with premium design, wireless charging, active noise cancellation, and Zen Mode Air. Overall, it is the most impressive and best TWS earbuds with noise-canceling headset. At number 4. Skullcandy. Skullcandy has made a name for itself as a bang-for-your-buck product. This American audio company comes with the original indie genuine wireless earbuds, which launched in 2019. Skullcandy Indie Evo features enhanced battery life, ambient sound, IP55 rating, and a few other upgrades. We suggest this one for those who are searching for the best TWS earbuds with ambient mode. Are you a gym person? These IP55 sweatproof rating wireless earbuds are the perfect choice for you. With these earbuds, you don't have to worry about your sweat spoiling the earbud. We suggest these earbuds for the person who likes to listen to music while jogging in the morning. These sweat, dust, and water-resistant earbuds are relatively stylish and look like Apple AirPods that have attracted a lot of attention over the years. However, the earbuds of the Skullcandy are well built, and its in-canal ear tips comfortably fit into any type of ear. Its charging case is neither too small nor too large. It ensures the proper noise isolation. So how do they sound? Unlike the other wireless earbuds, this Indie Evo has 3 different EQ modes that are music, movie, and podcast. After testing them all extensively, we found that they are pretty much redundant. The movies mode is the loudest and best balanced, while the music mode sounds muddy, and the podcast mode gives greater prominence and improves vocal clarity. Connection is an area where Skullcandy is not well understood or disappointed. As mentioned above, there are no fancy codecs here to enhance your listening experience. You will not receive aptX or anything built in. However, that does not mean that Bluetooth is bad. The 5.0 connection always makes it easy to maintain a strong connection. However, the aspects in the Indie Evo earphones are decent enough. For example, you get a total of 30 hours of battery life with a quick charging function when you are in an emergency. Each bud has full media controls, so you don't have to worry about whether you use your right or left to change the volume. Overall, the Skullcandy Indie True Wireless Earbuds are pretty good and fit comfortably into your ear. Under the 6000 RS, this pair is the highly competitive mid-range earbuds. If you are a person who is concerned about money yet needs high-quality wireless earbuds, then this one's for you. With decent battery life and solid build quality, this pair of earbuds can satisfy your needs. At number 3. Jabra. When the Jabra Elite Active 65T True Wireless Earbuds were first released, they made an excellent first impression. They weren't perfect, but at the time, the potential options were so limited that they won by default by providing what they wanted to do. Reading music would last a long time. As far as the design, the Jabra Elite Active earbuds are sleek, small, and unobtrusive. The buds are rounded, with a small arm and an elongated tip to fit more tightly into your ears. The charging case and earbuds are both made of plastic, but they still feel like a premium product. In terms of performance, using the Jabra Elite Active 65T is a pleasure. It automatically turns on when removed from the case. You can use a single earbud at a time, even you can attend calls with a single earbud. Jabra offers EQ presets in its application so that you can customize the Elite Active 65T sound to your liking. If you want a little heavier, then you choose the bass boost, but you can treble it. Jabra allows you to customize the presets to fine-tune the sound to suit your preferences. Charging the case is very quick, even without the help of USB-C. When we talk about the battery life, the Jabra Elite Active 65T wireless earbuds are estimated to last 5 hours on a charge, but were able to exceed 5 hours on some occasions when listening to music at low to medium sound. That is, if 5 hours is not enough time, the charging case is good for an additional 2 charges to ask for an additional 15 hours. Unlike the Elite 65T buds, the Active model has a built-in accelerometer, which makes it an efficient fitness tracker. It does not record running automatically. You need to open the Jabra Sound Plus app, tap Active, and start a stream to track your miles. If you use Active mode, Jabra's hear-through aspect will automatically run to allow ambient noise. Overall, this Jabra Elite Active 65T is pretty good and comes with impressive audio quality and excellent battery life for this price range. Besides, these are the best TWS earbuds with a mic. At number 2. Sony. Sony has big plans for the Indian wireless audio market, and the WF-1000XM3 is the crown of its lineup. It takes the brand's famous 1000X family noise-canceling headphones and brings that goodness to a new and smaller form. These are the best TWS earbuds for small ears. Each earbud weighs 8.5 grams, they are comfortable to the ear, and they are stunning. However, depending on the shape behind your ear, they may protrude slightly more than other TWS buds. It will naturally worsen fit and isolation. In addition to the Bluetooth NFC connection, Google Assistant support and the familiar Sony audio processing refinement, including DSEHX, are available to recover subjective details for lost streams. There is also support for hands-free voice calling. Diversity extends to different genres of music. For example, rock music is punchy and hard without distortion or bleeding. Without going into muddy areas, there is some interesting bass for pop mixes. For any thumber bass, you need to consider large headphones. These Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds have excellent battery life, which allows you to listen for 4 hours and 46 minutes. You can charge earbuds quickly, the case allows 10 minutes to 90 minutes of playback. The full charge cycle for earbuds takes 90 minutes. The charging case is beautiful and fits perfectly with the earbuds. Its rubberized finish makes it easy to catch, which is great for butterfingers. This case supports NFC connectivity if you do not want to do the entire Bluetooth menu dance. You should set aside about 4 hours to fully charge the case via USB-C cable. It is the best TWS earbuds for the iPhone, so you don't have to worry if you are an iPhone user. At number 1. Beats. Are you searching for a great pair of wireless earbuds experience? If yes, then you can go with this Beats Fit Pro earbuds. You will get a comfortable user-friendly experience by using these earbuds. The Beats Fit Pro superior quality gadget offered by Beats. It is made with an ergonomic design. It adapts with your lifestyle and is the best TWS earbuds for outdoors. The soft true wireless earbuds provide an ultra-secure fit to the ears. Overall, it comes with a sporty outlook that makes for a great working sportsperson or gym freak. It is designed in such a way so that it does not fall off your ears. It offers a snug and comfortable fit to your ears because it has a soft rubber grip on the tips that can be adjusted to be worn to your preference. We all know that the Beats is famous for its blissful sound quality. Beats Fit Pro TWS earbuds audio quality is amazing. If you are a bass lover and want to listen to music like this, where the bass is everything, you will definitely like it. In terms of treble, it's not bad, but we think it's a little better than average, not as good as the bass. At peak, sometimes you will feel a slight break or laziness. But in terms of everyday use and casual listening, this is a fantastic deal. The Beats Fit Pro also includes Apple's H1 chip, which allows for automated changing and audio sharing when playing high-quality songs. The Beats Fit Pro earphones are the ones to acquire if you're seeking for one of the greatest bass earbuds that can produce extremely powerful audio and deep beats. It comes with a 24 hours of battery life and can run for up to 6 hours on a single charge on each earbud.
So it's like the sound literally moves with
Thus,
you.
this is especially
Using
desirable for
gyroscopes
gym
and
freaks who like to
accelerometers,
listen
Beats
to
Fit
music
Pro
while
calibrates
running
your
or
head's motion
exercising.
and its position to your
It gives a secure fit to your ears with a buzzing experience with upgraded or enhanced touch controls. These are the best TWS earbuds for running. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.